Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices, and today I wanted to talk to you about settlement in a Georgia workers' compensation case. I've been doing workers' compensation for 28 years here in Georgia, and probably about 15 years ago we started using mediations to settle cases. It doesn't mean you have to do a mediation, but it is one opportunity for us to get a case settled. What we do in a mediation is typically have you, if you're my client, sit with me in a room. Prior to that, we select a mediator that we are very comfortable with. I've been using several mediators here in Georgia that are excellent, and mediators are third parties who are neutrals. We have to agree on a settlement mediation with the other side, meaning the insurance company and their attorney, and from there we go in and we typically sit in a room, whether it be in my office or in the mediator's office. So sometimes it's the insurance company attorney's office. And what goes on there is a settlement negotiation back and forth. We do this at particular times during a case, and really the terms and the determination of when to settle a case is in another video that I will discuss with you, when is a proper time to settle your case. But the purposes of settlement and the use of mediation can be critical in a workers' compensation case. It allows us to show the other side all aspects of your case. It allows a third-party neutral person, the mediator, to hear what we have to say and to get their opinion. And most of the time we're going to have your case in a very, very good situation, meaning the evidence is going to line up for us in a way that allows us to show the mediator a critical piece of your case and the whole concept, so that we can push the mediator and in turn push the insurance company to pay out what is a reasonable and fair value on your case. Now, of course, the mediator is neutral, and he or she will go into the other side's room and hear their side of the story and come back to our side. And it's a back and forth, kind of like table tennis, where you go back and forth. The mediator is the ping pong ball, so to speak. There are critical times, as I said, why you want to mediate your case. It moves the case along, potentially at the right time to get the case settled. It potentially can avoid us going to a hearing. Sometimes we do go to a hearing and then we go to mediation. Sometimes if we don't settle the case at mediation, we will go to a hearing. But what this allows us to do is get the case settled. When you go to a hearing in a workers' compensation case, that is a judge making decisions on issues, not on settlement. And if you go to a hearing and you are not successful at your case, then trying to get the case settled, obviously, you're going to have a lesser value. I'm happy to speak with you in detail about your case, about when it is a proper time to settle your case, whether you use mediation or straight out negotiation. And all of these things are very, very important in terms of getting your case to the best place it can be for the best value when and if the time comes to settle it. I look forward to speaking with you. If you have questions about settlement and the use of mediation or just negotiation, you can reach me directly at 770-351-0801, and I'll look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to do so is on the screen. I also invite you to call me directly if you have been injured on the job and need an honest and realistic opinion regarding your case or details regarding the law. I can be reached at 770-351-0801 or email me at jodiginsberglaw@gmail.com. Thanks.